how to take a screenshot on your laptop or PC using the keyboard. So I'll show you two different ways on how to do this. Now, the first method is you can go and hold down the Windows key on your keyboard, and then you can click on the print screen button. So you can see that if I press these two buttons, it will automatically create a screenshot. Now, if you don't have the print screen button or it's not working, there is another way to do this as well. So you can hold down the left shift key on your keyboard, also hold down the Windows key, and then go and press the letter S. Now, once you do this, it will bring up this window here, and we can now make a selection of the area that we want to screenshot. So make sure the camera icon is selected like this. You can then select the area you want to take a screenshot of, and then just go and release your mouse cursor. As you can see, a screenshot's now been taken, and this will automatically be saved to the screenshot folder. So you can open up your File Explorer, and if you click on Pictures from the left-hand side, you'll be able to find this Screenshots folder, and here is all of your saved screenshots.